Recently, in 31st October, DGCA has announced its Octoberization, but the examination is probably conducted in the first week of December. So, you have a 1 month period for the preparation. But for Module 10, it is not enough. Because, as I mentioned in my previous video about books, that Module 10 has a huge syllabus and you will require minimum 3 to 4 months. But not to worry, because I am going to give you a tips and tricks about Module 10, and on your luck and by studying this you can definitely going to clear Module 10. So let's get started. First of all, go through CR66 where you will get syllabus of Module 10, and it is not very difficult to clear this module unless you study sincerely. So, according to syllabus and my experience of solving previous year's Module 10 questions, I have come to the conclusion on important topics to study. I have categorized topics into two categories: most important topics and important topic. So, starting from the most important topics, we have CR66. In this, they usually ask about category of license, experience requirements, about basic knowledge and type training criteria, and the CA forms are the favorite questions. Next most important topic to study is CR145, which includes personal requirement about CA forms. Also remember the index of CR145 because they can ask what is 145A45, which is maintenance data. Also they can ask about definition of large aeroplanes, facility requirement, and about certifying staff. Overall, they will ask many questions from this topic, so study it in detail. Then we have CRM. According to my experience, they mostly ask questions from subpart B, accountability, C, continuing airworthiness, and IARC. So study it well. In subpart C, they mainly ask questions from technical law. Now, write each and everything from this video. Pause it if you are slow in writing and try to make your own notes from this topic, because it is very important. Next comes the CR20. Remember the subpart of this topic and also the validity and transferability of certificate mentioned in this topic. In CR147, we have basic and type training. There is more probability of questions from basic because it is recently introduced in CR147. Remember the qualification of instructor, conversion time of license, and CA forms. Coming to the rules and acts of DGCA, they can definitely ask 3 to 4 questions on this topic. The important rules are 3, 6, 7, Subrule 7, 15, 19, 25, 25A, 30 to 37A, 49 to 49I, 50, 61, 62, 133A to C, and 134, and all acts from 1 to 20. But if you got good remembering ability, then remember all of them. God knows DGC can ask anything. Apart from this, you also have to study ICAV annexes, which are from 1 to 18, and Annex 18 is SMS, which may be a question for this session. Remember the names of DGCA sessions from 1 to 11. It is given in each side. The most important topic is CAP 3100 Air Operator Certificate Manual. In this, DGC can ask 3 to 4 questions. They mainly ask from 5 sessions of AOC and proving flight condition, as well as about passenger briefing card. So study it well. Next comes the safety management system. It is a favorite topic of DGCA. In this, they can ask also 3 to 4 questions, and which includes definition, 4 components, and timelines of 4 phases of SMS implementation. Next comes the fuel tank safety training, or popularly known as FTST, is given in CR66, 145, and M. The question asked by DGC is 2 to 3 and include the duration of training, who is provided with this training, when it is to be given, level of training, and according to which regulation it is provided. So it is also very important topic. Now talking about important series, we have series B1, F1 and 3, H2 and 3, M1, T2 and X completely. DGCA can ask up to 10 questions from this topic, and I am not going into much detail, but most important and famous questions are from MEL in series B, C of A in series F3, C of R in series F, 1. About fuel safety in series H2 and 3. Mandatory modifications such as about ADs, SBs in M, test flight in T2, and about logs, documents to be carried out on board, and taxi permit in series X, and many more questions from this topic. So study this also. Now the another part of this topic contains important topics. Certification specification, which includes 23, 25, 27 and 29, which is small aircraft, large aeroplane, small rotorcraft and large rotorcraft respectively. They can ask about APM chapter, which is 3A, and 17 is also important, which tells about CAMO and AME licensing. Other APM chapters are there but are of least importance, according to me. Apart from this, there are many topics such as DGCS Section 8 Series S. In this, they can ask about MNPAs, RVSM, ETOPS, NetHLA, etc. And try to solve many previous DGC questions for any module you are giving, because many questions get repeated. So that's it for today, and you can subscribe for more module related update and aviation stuff. Thanks for watching.